life. I gotta put air in my tire. I was planning on going to the park and doing a little workout. I also want to try to go by the library today and figure out when I'm getting my new tires for my car. So it's pretty chill day. I put my pre-workout in this bottle. I'm about to take it so it can kick in by the time I get to the park. The Dollar Tree is right there in front of me. But this air pump does not look like it does. I mean, it looks like a legit air pump, but these air pumps look sketch. And I'd hate to put $1 worth of quotas and it not work. Okay, it says air is 3 minutes. I got my little tire pressure gauge. Yeah, and I'm in the way. And she was telling me it's on the door, and they need to be at 33. We've got a little Habitat bingo, and they have disc golf. The only time, at least I can say that I've played disc golf, it was either in elementary school or middle school PE. I'm also gonna show you guys this little public garden that they have out here, which is so cute. And I took an apple off one of the apple trees, and I think it wasn't ready because it was very tart. There's a lot of people out here. Not on the trail, but there's like a tree. I don't know if you can see through the trees, but there's like a little track over here, and I was hoping it'd be empty because I went over there yesterday and did my workout. Come out on the track, and this is the Rosewood Public Orchard, and they've got like some tomatoes. They've got a lot of stuff, and I said I'd have to wear leggings to really see everything. And they have like a little fairy house and everything, which is super cute. I don't know the best way to enter this. And I'm hoping there's no snakes. These are the little apple trees, and those over there look like really ready. Oh, those are the pear trees. I was wondering, because they left like a little journal and people were writing all the stuff that they had out here. Well, this is an apple tree too, because some have fallen. A lot of them look like they have been attacked by the animals. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to the gym, and if there's not that many people in there, then I'm gonna try to film, but if it's a little crowded, then probably won't have any footage. I'm gonna walk to the gym instead of driving.